that's on an angle that I just put in, and those 153s go into the actual rib, but they go through that skin portion there. It's meant to catch the rest of the top of the skin from the top side, and then the rest of the holes are all 142s that go through that direction. And even the step on this side went in a whole lot smoother than the other one. For whatever reason, the left wing, there was one rib that the holes were the wrong size. They were downsized one. It was kind of weird, but and I definitely had it in the correct rib in the right spot. So it was just something in the manufacturing process, or something wasn't quite right. But and it was only on one side. But I took care of that. I just match drilled those, and that took care of that. But this one, piece of cake, went together no problem. And I didn't make the same mistake twice on riveting too far down the line.